Hello dear students of medical and non-medical and respected teachers. So my today's topic is some practical units which are very important. So first of all I will discuss some bigger units to measure large distances. So one astronomical unit. What is 1 AU? So one astronomical unit, it is defined as the average distance between center of earth and center of sun, because earth revolves around the sun in an elliptical orbit. So the average distance between the centers of earth and sun is known as 1 astronomical unit, and its value has been calculated as 1 AU is equal to 1.49 into 10 raised per 11 meter. Number 2, 1 light year. 1 light year, it is clear from the name, it is the distance traveled by light in vacuum in 1 year. So in vacuum, the velocity of light is 3 into 10 raised per 8 meter per second. So we can calculate the value of 1 light year is equal to speed in time, 3 into 10 raised per 8 velocity of light in vacuum, then time in second. 1 year 365 into 24 into 60 minutes into 60 seconds. So if you calculate it, you get 1 light year is equal to 9.46 into 10 raised per 15 meter. So this light year is bigger than 1 astronomical unit. Then third unit is 1 parsec. So 1 parsec, suppose AB is an arc having length 1 astronomical unit. O is the point where this arc subtends an angle of 1 second. Then this OO dash, this distance will be equal to 1 parsec. So 1 parsec is defined as the distance at which an arc of length 1 astronomical unit subtends an angle of 1 second. So it is also the unit of distance. So we can calculate the value of 1 parsec, which comes out to 3.08 into 10 raised per 16 meter, because theta is equal to 1 second. Convert this 1 second into radians. 1 second means 1 by 60 minute, because 1 minute is equal to 60 second. Then 1 by 60 into 60 degrees, because 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. Then theta is equal to 1 by 60 into 60 into pi by 180 in radians, because 180 degree is equal to pi radian, or 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radians. So this is the value of theta in radians. So by definition of angle, angle is equal to arc upon radius, or r is equal to L upon theta. R means distance of this O dash, and that is 1 parsec. So 1 parsec comes out to be value of length of arc 1.49 into 10 raised per 11 divided by theta, that is pi, and pi by 60 into 60 into 180, so it will be in the denominator. 60 into 60 into 180, you will calculate it, you get 1 parsec is equal to 3.08 into 10 raised per 16 meter. So parsec is bigger than light year also. So we can find relation between any of two. So for example, if you find relation between 1 light year and 1 AU, divide light year into over divided by 1 AU. So it comes out to 1 light year is equal to 6.3 into 10 raised by 4 astronomical units, because light year is bigger than astronomical units. Similarly, we can find relation between 1 parsec and 1 and light year. So 1 light year is equal to 3.26 light years. Sorry, 1 parsec is equal to 3.26 light years. So you can obtain this relation by dividing 1 parsec divided by 1 light year, that is 3.08 into 10 to 16 divided by 9.46 into 10 to 15. So you get 3.26 light years. You can remember, so how parsec and light year related to each other. So 1 parsec is equal to 3.26 light years. For example, so because these distances are used, these units are used to measure very large distances. So for example, the distance of nearest star, that is known as Alpha Centauri, from Earth is 4.3 light years. So we can measure planetary distance of stars in terms of light year. Then there are some small units. 1 angstrom that we practically use, which is 10 raised to minus 10 meter. 1 angstrom. 1 Fermi, 10 raised to 15 minus 15 meter. This is 1 Fermi. Then 1 micron, 10 raised to minus 6 meter. 1 nanometer, 10 raised to minus 9 meter. 1 barn, 10 raised to minus 28 meter square. This is unit of area. 1 barn is equal to 10 raised to minus 28 meter square. Here are some small units to measure small distances. Then bigger unit of mass, 1 metric ton, 1000 kg. There is 1 CSL, Chandar Shekhar limit, 1 Chandar Shekhar limit, which is defined as 1.4 times the mass of sun. Then there is lunar month, because moon revolves around the earth and completes its one rotation in 27.3 days. This is known as one lunar month. That is time taken by moon to complete one revolution around earth, which is equal to one lunar month is equal to 27.3 days. There is another unit for time, one shake, 10 is minus 8 seconds, a smaller unit for time. Then there is solar year, because earth revolves around the sun in an elliptical orbit and it completes its one rotation in 1 year, that is 365.25 days. 365.25 days earth completes its one rotation around the sun in an elliptical orbit, and this is known as solar year. Solar year is also unit, the time taken by earth to complete one rotation around the sun. So this is all about some practical units that we usually use to measure very large distances, very small distances, or to measure very small time. One shake, 10 raised to minus 8 second, lunar month, and solar year. So if you like my way of teaching, kindly subscribe my channel and share it as maximum as possible. Thank you. Stay tuned.